Is your engine suddenly losing power or stalling? A faulty EGR valve could be the source of the problem. In this short video, we will take a closer look at the most common symptoms of a bad exhaust gas recirculation valve. It's Max the Car Guy. Subscribe and let's get started. Check engine light. If the check engine light on your vehicle's dashboard illuminates, it means your car's computer has detected a problem with a specific part or system in your vehicle. One possible cause is a faulty EGR valve. Typically, the vehicle's computer will be able to detect the position or circuit of the EGR valve. If it detects a problem with one of these, the check engine light will illuminate, and the driver can then use a diagnostic scanner or take the vehicle to a mechanic to confirm the problem. Because an illuminated check engine light can indicate any of over 100 different problems, a specific trouble code relating to the part must appear. The most common EGR trouble codes start from P0400 and last to P0405. Verify the meaning of the trouble code using various online resources. Rough engine idle. A common symptom of a bad EGR valve in a vehicle is rough idle, which occurs when the RPM fluctuates or drops below a certain threshold. When EGR valves malfunction, they stall in their open position. Then, whether there are desirable conditions or not, the recirculation of the exhaust gas will cause a rough idle condition. Reduced engine power. If you have an EGR valve problem, the first symptom you'll notice is poor engine performance. If your EGR valve fails or becomes clogged, your vehicle's air-to-fuel ratio will be affected. This will result in a variety of engine issues, including decreased acceleration, fuel efficiency, and power. Causes of EGR valve failure. Clogged passages. Carbon deposits, oil ash, and combustion byproducts can clog the passages that allow exhaust gas to flow through the EGR valve. This debris obstructs gas flow through the valve, resulting in incorrect EGR operation. Carbon buildup. Carbon deposits can build up in the EGR valve over time, causing it to stick open or closed. Carbon particles in exhaust gases can accumulate on the pintle and valve seat. This limits their mobility and ability to control exhaust gas recirculation. Vacuum leaks. Many vehicles use vacuum lines to control the operation of the EGR valve. Because the valve relies on vacuum for proper positioning, leaks in these lines prevent accurate valve control. As a result, EGR performance suffers. Electrical problems. The solenoid or motor that controls the opening and closing of the EGR valve can fail electrically. This may prevent the valve from functioning correctly or at all. Power surges or voltage spikes are frequently the cause of solenoid failure. Age and wear. EGR valves, like any mechanical component, will simply wear out after many heating and cooling cycles. The valve seat and pintle will erode, resulting in leaks and poor control of the exhaust gas flow. Most EGR valves last between 80,000 and 100,000 miles before needing to be replaced. Replacement cost. The average cost of replacing the EGR valve in your vehicle ranges from $250 to $350 depending on the year, make, and model of your vehicle, as well as the type of system it has. The cost of parts will range between $190 and $270, while labor will cost between $60 and $80. Of course, these cost estimates do not include the fees and taxes that will be added to the total. The service should include an EGR transducer test, inspection of vacuum hoses connected to the valve, clearing of all trouble codes, cleaning of carbon deposits from the pintle, and testing of the valve itself to ensure it operates smoothly. Hope the information was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.